understand how to solve the first order first degree linear differential equation, let's discuss this simple example. In the next coming video, we will discuss the advanced level of question, and to get the notification of that next coming video, if you are the new on my channel, then must subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my next coming video. Also share your doubt if you have any doubt in the comment section. So let's discuss how to solve this two differential equation. Now this already in the standard form. If you observe this differential equation, it is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. So the first step is compare the given differential equation with the standard form and find p and q, function of x, both are the function of x, and here p is nothing but the coefficient of y. So in the second step, if we skip this y, so what is remaining? 1 upon x. So that means p of x is our 1 upon x, and q is the right side term. So right side is 3x. So that means the function q is our 3x. Once we get p and q, the next step is find integrating factor. Means integrate this p term. So you will get integrating factor is e power integration of p of x. Put the value of p. So it is a e power 1 upon x dx. Do you know the integration of 1 upon x? Yes, it is a log x. So integrating factor equal to e raised to e power log x. And we know the property of log. Here log x, actually base is e. We are not writing it is e, but it is base e. And e power log x is nothing but x. So a power log of any function, suppose we take any function and base is a. So if this a is there, a power log base, again it is a, so it is nothing but our f of x. Using this concept, we can say e power log of x is our x. So we get the integrating factor x. Now the complete solution. After getting integrating factor, we have to find the complete solution of our differential equation. So the complete solution is integrating factor into y equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus integrating constant c. Put the value of integrating factor and q. Here integrating factor is x, so it is a x into y equal to integration of q. Q is our 3x, so it is a 3x into integrating factor is our x dx plus c. Here x into x is x square and 3 is constant, so we can take outside the integral. So here 3 is constant, we can take outside, remaining is x square dx plus c. And it is very simple, integration of x square is x cube by 3. So in the next step, if we solve this integration, so left hand side is xy, right side is 3, integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integrating constant c. Now this 3 get cancelled, here 3 multiplication and denominator 3 cancel out. So final answer is xy equal to x cube plus c. Hence we get the solution of our given linear differential equation. Now see this next example. Here this question containing coefficient of dy by dx x, but in a standard form there is nothing in the multiplication. So obviously to get the standard form, we first divide this x. So here in this differential equation, first you have to divide by x. So divide throughout by x. So each term divide by x, so here x get cancelled, so you will get dy by dx minus 3 by x into y equal to x raised to e power 3, because when we are dividing by x, so throughout we have to divide by x, so x power 4 by x, so 1 x get cancelled, so you will get here x cube. Now this is again a standard form, so it is a dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Compare this differential equation with the standard form. The coefficient of y is our p the coefficient of y is p, so skip this y. So what is remaining? Minus 3 by x. So don't forget this minus sign. So skip this y. So whatever the remaining is our p, so minus 3 by x, and q is the right side term, so q is our x cube. Once we get p and q, the next step is find integrating factor. So integrating factor is e power integration of our p function. You can simply write p or p of x, both are same. P is a function of x. Now put the value of p here. So here e raised to e power minus 3 by x dx, and we know that constant we can take outside the integral. So minus 3 is a constant we can take outside. So you will get it is a e power minus 3 constant outside, and remaining is 1 upon x, and integration of 1 upon x we have already find, that is a log x. So remaining is 1 upon x, which is nothing but log x. Again here, if possible, you have to use the property of log to make integration simple. So here if you use the property of log, so we know that if there is a log b, so we can take this a in the power of b, so you will get log of b power a. So using this concept, if we write this minus 3 in the power of x, then it is a e power log of x raised to e power minus 3. And if there is a e power log, so you will get this function only by using this concept. If there is a e power log, so it is nothing but simply x power minus 3. It is showing the anti-log. So e power log, so this term you have to skip, that is a x power minus 3 is our remaining term. Now once we know the integrating factor, so put this integrating factor to find a complete solution. And always when we are solving this question in the exam, so always mention the complete solution of linear differential equation, the standard formula, and after that put the value. So the complete solution is integrating factor into y equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus integrating constant c. So this is the formula. Now put the value. Here x is integrating factor is x power minus 3 into y equal to q. Q is our x power 4. Integrating factor is x power minus 3 dx plus c. X power minus 3 is nothing but 1 upon x cube. So this x power 4 and this x cube get cancelled out. So x power 4 multiplied by minus 3, that is nothing but x. So using this concept, this is nothing but our simply x. Here negative power is showing the denominator. So it is a 1 upon x cube, and this x cube 3x cancel out with this x power 4. So remaining is 1x. So that's why it is a x. So here simplification of this term is x, and integration of x is x square by 2. And left side we have to write as it is. So the final answer of this question is left side is x raised to e power minus 3 into y, and integration of x is x square by 2 plus integrating constant c. Hence we get the solution. I hope it is clear. In the next coming video we will discuss some advanced question of linear differential equation. Thank you for watching.